So welcome to my video about AutoCAD 3D modeling, and today I want us to practice on a structure I recently modeled on AutoCAD, but apart from the terrain which I also modeled in AutoCAD, but I think it is not necessary to do that because you can also use a Civil 3D, which will be even more accurate. But maybe for presentation, this one can be easy without having to deal with more components of the design, but just the normal modeling. So what I want us to design is only the branch structure minus the terrain. So let's open a new drawing, so we can close this one, and then we can just use our road size, road dimensions, because that is from where the other things, the branch dimensions, can be obtained from. So this one will be the center line of the road, which we can show with a center line type. So let's put 1000 so that we see the line type properly. Then we can just this one offset by 3000 like that, and the rest will be the shoulders, which can be like 1200. Just want to be generous with the road size. Maybe the bridge path is usually not very big, but modern designs have always accommodated bigger road sizes. So this, we can change the color to yellow. We can also change this one to say green, doesn't matter, just to be able to differentiate. The other thing we need to do is to just have the stream centering, or the whatever is getting closed can be an underpass. So let's also do a center and do a scale of say also 1000 like that. So I think this one you can change to hidden, or yes, like that. Then this one will be continuous. Then we come here, we change, we get the underpass width, which can be, we can say 3000, or let's say 5000, so that our branch will be having a span of 10 meters, and the branch abutment, which can be say 2000 like that. What else we can do is we can also change the branch. We can also have the branch to have some extra concrete, so that it doesn't end up to become a very thin. Maybe we can offset an extra, maybe 2000 like that, like that. So let's do blue color. Can also have this one, or maybe have this one blue. This one can get red. We can also offset some distance so that we have some design to a branch, say of 300. Then I'll show you what I want to achieve. So let us also have first let's make this one as the outline of our bridge. This one is the arched part, but go back to the line like that, then we just mirror to avoid having to go through a lot of pain. So the next thing is to maybe we can find the center of this. We can just control right click, then we find the midpoint between this point and this point. And also we can also do the same for this one, midpoint, this one and this one. Then we can add a vertex here and another vertex there. So we do the same, midpoint, and like that. Then the reason I did that is so that you can have I don't know if it is possible to we can have an extra, we can have a side wall, maybe 10 meters or 12 meters like that, and then we just let's offset using through. Then we join. Like that. So what we need to do is just come here and have a mirror of this one. Okay, this one is already mirror, but now you want to change the design a bit. This one you can just delete. So we can also change this one. Is it possible to have a more crazy design? Maybe we can have it like that. Then we change this part, then like that. Then maybe we can just remove this one and let's remove this one. So we can just come here and join this one to make it fully enclosed. So just come and change this one to here, we put it crossed polyline, and then we just mirror. So let's mirror this one again. So we have this one, and then we just come here and join. So do we need to, maybe we can just convert to arch again, like that. What else we need to do is to come here and mirror again. Now we can just add no, it's not possible, so we reverse this polyline, then we add. Now you can be able to push it ahead. So let's join. Now you have everything joined, and now we make this one crossed polyline. So this is the bridge, and is the footprint of the bridge. So we can go to the southwest isometry and extrude it. Just extrude, maybe you can extrude like 10 meters. I think 10 meters is okay. We do the same for this one. We extrude again, extrude to the same, and maybe we do the same, although I don't think it is it will be important to extrude that one, but maybe we can just work with one, then we mirror. So let's just come here, we measure a height of say 1500, but I think 1500 is too small. Maybe let's go with the let's try 2000. So what else we can do? We come here, we use the ray like that, and that is where it strikes the corner of the at the top. So this one you can just slice, but before you slice, we change the UCS, so we align it with this ray here like that. Okay, I think are we okay? Maybe we are not. Let's say new UCS like that. Now again, let's do this again. Let's see what is happening. Something is not correct. Yes, because it didn't align properly. So let's do front again. So let's come here. You can even use the line like this. So let's see what is happening. Okay, doesn't matter. So you can just let's just draw the line here. So can we stretch it? Yes, we can. Maybe we also do the same. Yeah, the ring then works properly. So let's go back to the front view, and now let's slice. But before we slice, we change the UCS like that, like that. And I think let's see what happens. So we just slice. This is what you want to slice, and you want to work with the ZX. So ZX, okay. So let's see if we are, yes, I think we are okay, because you can see the seamlessness which is being achieved at this point. So let us go back to the chains with edges. Yeah, so this is what we have here. So we just go back and pick the same again, and then we mirror now like that. And then next one, we just come here, we mirror again. Now we need to raise we need to have some wall protection. So how do we do that? We first of all have to align so our UCS, so we come to we pick this face align. So just come here. So we are now, if whatever we draw here will be on the face, so we can come here and start with the polyline. I don't know if, let's try arc, second point over there. So this one we can just come and use the line, maybe enter. So I don't think we need to have this one going through. So after that we just offset by, say, this will be too much, but it's okay. So we can then, maybe it will be better if we work with the arc. So we have this and this. So the polyline we just remove, then we stretch, we ring them like that, and then this one we also do like that. So if we come back to the southwest, we can see now we have the line drawn and the arc drawn on top of the structure. So let us press pull here. So 1200 I would suppose, and I think this is okay. So we just come top again, we pick the arc, then we mirror the same, and now we need to get back to the UCS, the word UCS. So we just come back here. No, let's do the same on the other side. So we try to press pull again. Yes, we can do that. So I can also align with this point like that. So let's see if we have something. Yes, I can shade it with edges. So this is now the branch. The remaining part will be to go back to the wireframe and now trace the lines that define the underpass. So this one you can first forehand so that you avoid working the lot of lines. So this one we just and I don't think we need this line. Now do we need this one? So we can just come use the line here like that and maybe change the color to red, I think. Then come back here, pick it. I think we can also do that. So we come to the front and I want us to move this line to the center, so we can just pick it, then control right click or shift right click, both work. So find the mean between 2 points. So there's the first and is it this one and this one? Yeah, now we have this line is on the center. So let us now have a line here or a polyline, doesn't matter. So we just can just offset at the height of 5,000, but I think 5,000 will be too small. Let's do 6,000 like that, then do an extra 2,000 like that. Then we trace a line, then we go arc second part, the second point like that, and that point, the last point, then we go back to the line like that, then we cross. So let's see if we are okay. Then we can use this extrude it, extrude. Okay, doesn't matter the size, we can just do with that one. So we just subtract from the solid subtraction. So we pick this one, enter, pick this one, enter. Okay, now I think most of the work is done. What is remaining is now the foundation. You can model the foundation, and for us to model the foundation you also need to visualize, to go to the visualize, then align our UCS with the bottom of the face, which is this one. So you accept, and we can just now trace on the bottom like that, like that, like that. I believe we are on the right course this way, but I think we may have errored. Have we? No, we haven't. I think we are on the right path. Sometimes it is easy to think you are not on the right face, so just go ahead like that. We go ahead like this way, and then we cross. I don't think we need to cross. Yeah, then we also have another polyline. We join them. Did they join? Let's see. Yes, they are joined. So the next thing we just offset. We can offset by say 1,000 like that. Then we extrude. this way. Sorry for that. Just maybe another 1000, or sometimes these foundations can be basically 1500, 500, like that. So let's give it a different color, maybe red. Okay, I think this makes it easy to differentiate. So let's come back, and now we have the foundation here. Then we better be doing the mirror fashion. So this one is now the foundation of the bridge, and they need to add more, and I think the rest can be easily duplicated by just using the technique I just used there. So just go back to the wireframe. Then I want us to go to the top, and I want us to this an arc. Yes, so maybe you can change its color, or before we do that we just delete it, because I don't think we need it again. And I want us to maybe align ourselves again with the face, and I want us this time to align with this face. Is it possible? Let's try to have a 3-point arc, and the last one, let's see if we are correct. Oh, we are not correct. Or are we? Let's check. I think for us to be able to find it, we can just change its color to yellow, so we can see if, okay, I think we got it, but in the not where I really wanted it. But what we can do, we can offset it to a height of say 3 meters. So let us offset it to a distance of 200, and we just copy the same, and I think do we have 2 of them? I think we have 2. Now the next thing would just be to, I want us to draw a line here, like that, and maybe can we have another one? Let's see if we can just move it. Yes, because I want to trim this line. Did I trim properly? I think I may have made a mistake. So let's just go back to the top. We find if there is a way to line them. and just lengthen this one. Into the same lengthen, maybe somewhere there. We lengthen the other one there. So let's see if we are able to create a rail. So we can just come here and just do 40 d, the radius of 40, and then we sweep. So we come sweep. So this one and up there. So let's go to the top again. Now let's go back to the, is it possible to run the posts across along this rail, just like the way we do for the line if we are doing it on line work? So we can try to align again the UCS to this face like that, enter, and then we can try to do a circle of say 42. Okay, then we just offset, say we do a draw maybe like that. Okay, I think but I think everything seems to be so high. Maybe it is better if we just got everything all one by say 1 meter, 2 meter. Oh, it's too much. So let's do 500 like that. So from there we can just connect our point there. And because we are aligned to the face, maybe if we try, what if we try to mirror? Just try to do a mirror. Yes, we can do a mirror here, and I know what will happen because this one is moving just away from the let's see if we can just use a I think we are not aligned anymore. Maybe we can just go back to the visualize and try again to do the same. So we just come to this one, we try to mirror again. Yes, and I think we can now make them a bit easier to, yes, we can join this one again, and we can also join this one. And what about this one? Can we be able to trim? Yes, we can trim. So we just join this one. So join again here. So we can create the region from this one, region. So this one, yes, we can create another region. Then we subtract. So we pick the bigger one, is subtract the smaller one, and now what you are left with is this face, which is also something you can extrude. You can extrude by say 15. I don't know if it is okay, and then we try to array. So we array. So this one, then this is the path. I don't know if we get it correct, and I think something did not work out properly. So maybe we can try another. We can just try another arc, because I believe the arc is a little disoriented. So let's try to make an arc. Where is the second point? Let's go to the top, then go back to this one, then we try again. And we just do like this, then we come to the first point. Maybe we are not in the correct plane, so let us try it again. Then you can change it later. So let us is it possible to move it to the center? So I think this is the line. Just pick it and just trace it to that point. And I think So let us try to array again. And the path is this one, and let's see what is happening if we go to the top. So what if we just use the define, and now we change the item to say 50, or we just go to the measure, then we can start with a spacing of 1200 like that, and I think this time it is better. So let us see what is happening on the southwest frame. Maybe we can change this one to number so that they just go to the end. Can we rank them? Yes, we can rank them. We can rank them then to maybe there. Is it possible? Maybe the best thing would just be to we can work on that and see if this is okay. Then the last thing you might want to do, if you have already achieved that level of working, is just to, sometimes it is okay, you can just explode, and then is it possible to move them manually? I think it is. So just move it manually to let's go to the move. The issue is with doing that is now you have to find it and try to reorient it properly, but I think we achieved so much already. But this is a technique you can use. Sometimes it works when your lines are properly in their correct position. So the next thing you want to do is just to mirror what you have here. Let's see if it is possible, like that. No. So let's see what we got here. So I think this can sum up this video. I think it is a bit long, but at the end of the day something you can always refine. Thank you for your time, and until next time, share, like, and comment about this video.